Hello, everyone. My name is Sunita, and I'm a first customer of Roop Vatika, where heritage becomes luxury. I've been buying from them from 1993 when they were just put a table on the roadside, and I was passing by, and me and my husband bought first one suit, but then I thought I will buy 5 suits. So they said, "You are the first one who bought suits from us." After that, I've been buying from them ever since. I've got a collection suits I bought in 96, 97, and a precious sari which I've kept it very nicely because that's one of the best saris I've got. That sari I bought it in 2012. So I'm still buying from them. They have a very nice collection for all ages, all rounds, all girls. I've got more than 1,000 suits still with me from Roop Vatika. That's my legacy. I went to Turkey, Istanbul, and I was wearing Roop Vatika's suit in a party. And the owner of that company where I was invited, his wife said, "I want to buy the same suit." She was from Indonesia, and I gave her the address, and she came to Delhi specially to buy suits from Roop Vatika. That suit I bought in 1996.
And you won in
2020.
oh, nice. 1996 का बॉट किया वो आपने 2020 में पहना वो और स्टिल लोगों ने आपसे पूछा है ये कहाँ से लिया वेरी नाइस
यही सूट है जो मैंने 1996 में खरीदा था और 2020 में जब मैं इस्तांबुल गई तो वहाँ एक पार्टी में मैंने पहना और बॉस की वाइफ ने पूछा, "ये सूट आपने कहाँ से लिया है? मुझे भी लेना है।" तो मैंने उसको रूप वाटिका का एड्रेस दिया और जब वो दिल्ली आई तो उसने रूप वाटिका विजिट किया 1996 में। ये मेरे हस्बैंड ने चूज कराया और आई विश कि रूप वाटिका ऐसे सूट और बनाए क्योंकि मुझे ये स्टाइल, ये काम बहुत पसंद है। बंगाली काम बोलते हैं इसको। उस टाइम 96 में भी ये 7-8 हज़ार का रहा होगा। Now 30 years have completed, but still the shine of the embroidery, the cloth shine, nothing is faded. It's all as it is, as if I bought it yesterday. This blue suit, this 1996.
1996
I liked it very much. This is a very good design and it's different. I wish they make such suits. I will definitely buy. I bless both of the brothers because they have been so nice. There was an occasion. I went on 12th of January to buy a suit and I wanted a fancy suit to wear it on Lodi. And there was no suit of my size present there. And especially I wanted a velvet suit. And Arora was standing there and he said, "राज अरोरा, आंटी कह रही है तो रात को ही बनेगा, आंटी के घर पहुंचाया जाएगा कल." And by 12 o'clock I got the suit. It's true. It was a grey suit with mukesh work all over and velvet suit. And he made specially a purse also with that, this same kind. Yes, I came to know day before yesterday when there was a exhibition where I went. अब इन्होंने plus sizes भी इंटरव्यू किए हैं and very nice collection. So I like all my friends to go there and buy. I have been always on a giving side. That's my habit, and that habit has come from me to my both the children. And I've been buying suits just to give to my friends, to my relatives. I was in America, and on 23rd of June was my friend's birthday. Before going, I just saw one suit which I liked. It was a black color suit. And I phoned up from America to Nisha. I said, "I want this suit of this size and please deliver it to my house because I'm reaching home just the same day as per her birthday." She's my best friend, Chandan. And she delivered. Nisha delivered the suit on 23rd morning and 23rd evening. It was her 60th birthday and I took the suit for her.
But
I've been coming to Roop Vatika with my children when they were small and buying the suits with the suggestion of my daughter and my husband. And my daughter also bought so many suits from Roop Vatika, and my daughter-in-law also bought. My daughter's mother-in-law, she used to buy suits from here. She used to come with me when it was her golden jubilee marriage anniversary. The suit she wore was bought from Roop Vatika. There are so many special moments. But when I fell sick, the way both my children took care of me, which is not expected in these days. My son didn't go to office for 6 months. He was just standing on my side, always. And my daughter, although she couldn't come, but she was always on the video, always available on the video. She was taking all my tests, everything to the specialist in America and getting the reports done over there again and again. And whatever both the children could do was maximum the children can do, even more than that. Happy Mother's Day to all the children on the earth from my side, and to especially to Nimit, my son, and to my daughter Tamanna. And they should come forward to help people who don't have mother. I wish Raj flourishes much more than what he has done. When I used to come, he used to sit on the table outside the shop. Now he has such a big shop. I wish him more and more. Hello Raj, कैसे हो?
Mrs. Roy.
बस बढ़िया बढ़िया, आप सुनाओ।
मैं ठीक
हाँ जी हाँ जी, क्या हाल चाल?
I'm wearing the suit which I bought in 1996 and it still shines the same. It's all your efforts and our good wishes. I wish a lot of success, more success in your life.
थैंक यू। ये बस आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स हैं जो आज जहाँ भी हैं, सब आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स की वजह से ही है।
मैंने पहला
आपका प्यार,
सूट
आपकी
खरीदे थे
blessings।
जब आपने बाहर टेबल लगाई हुई थी सूटों की।
हाँ जी,
फिर मेरे ऑफिस भी आए थे आप सूट देने, वहाँ राजेंद्र नगर में था ना मेरा पहला ऑफिस, ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर।
मुझे आज भी याद आता है कि आप स्टोर के अंदर आते थे, सर गाड़ी में बैठे होते थे और फिर वो थोड़ी देर में आते थे अंदर, अच्छा हो गया, कल बिल बना जरा। कि मेरे को आज भी उनका वो याद है कि पहले आप एक्सप्लोर कर लेते थे, फिर वो पीछे से आते थे, अच्छा चल यार फोन हो गया फटाफट, चल बिल बना जल्दी कर।
बिल्कुल।
बस ये मेमोरीज रह जाती हैं, यादें रह जाती हैं, ये सब एक बहुत अरसा, इतना लंबा टाइम निकल गया। और
मेरे वार्डरोब में तो रूप वाटिका के अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं। देख लो, आपको लड़कियों को दिखाया मैंने, एक से एक सूट पड़े हुए हैं।
यही है जी आपका प्यार।
भैया हमारे वेयर हाउस बाय राज अरोड़ा वाली एग्जीबिशन में भी आए थे, बट ये नीचे से ऊपर नहीं आ पाए। वो 22 सीढ़ियां थी, ड्राइवर ऊपर आया और ये अंदर नहीं आ पाए, तो ये नीचे से ही चले गए।
तो पता नहीं लगा, नहीं तो मैं नीचे ही आ जाता आपको मिलने में।
मैंने तो इसको निशा को बता दिया था मैं नीचे खड़ी हूँ, पर ये 22 वो सीढ़ियां हैं, मैं नहीं चढ़ सकती इतनी।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ
मेरी
जी, हाँ
कीमो
जी।
खत्म हो
निशा
गया
ने
ना,
बताया
अभी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है मेरे टांगों में।
चलो
चलो
ठीक है भैया,
ठीक है जी, ठीक है।
Okay,
थैंक यू जी,
God
थैंक यू
bless
सो
you.
मच, थैंक यू।
Roop Vatika is not anything else. That's my family type now. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग आए। मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपको याद रहा कि मैं आपका सबसे पुराना कस्टमर हूँ, एंड आई मस्ट बी पार्ट ऑफ योर एडवर्टीजमेंट, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ योर स्टोर। आप लोग मेरे घर आए, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा देख।